Hello, it's Leslie from House of Colour Lincolnshire. It's lovely to be back. I'm going to bring you a little series of tips on how to look $1 million. I know it should be pounds here, but actually it doesn't sound the same, does it? So it's got to be $1 million. Okay, so the first tip today then is make sure that you invest really, really wisely in a wonderful coat, a bag with very clearly defined lines and also shape, really good sunglasses and boots that are going to last you for absolutely years. So all these things want to be better quality rather than quantity every time. Okay, so what will happen is that you want to invest in these pieces that are going to look great on you time after time after time. You're going to love wearing them. They need to be in your particular scale and in your style, and then you will just love wearing them. So it's great not only for your pocket, because if you invest in something that is good quality, it will last you years and years before it really wears out, and you're going to want to wear it years and years because everything is right for you about it. Okay, it's great for your pocket because of the cost per wear. So something that is expensive but lasts you an awfully long time, when you work out the cost per wear, you drive it down every single time you put that item on. The other thing is it's great as well for sustainable fashion. So something that is not such great quality that you are going to only wear a few times and then dispose of is actually the pollution that they add to the planet is unbelievable. Okay, so something that is better quality and you are going to want to wear and wear and wear is going to win hands up every time. Think about your purse and the planet. Okay, thank you for joining me today, and I will be back with tip number 2 at a later stage.